fully in and let it go slowly. With your eyes open, gaze around the room, not looking at one thing in particular for too long, and try not to look at the same thing twice. Allow your eyes to find somewhere in front of you to fixate on. Gaze at this point and do not look anywhere else. Begin to observe how your mind might provide any reasons to look away, and maybe a distracting thought to entice you to look around. Instead, focus on one spot because you are in control. By keeping your gaze still and calm, you are practicing correct mindfulness of the present moment. Notice how your eyes just naturally want to move and look around, and it takes a little effort to keep them at one point. Gaze at this point for 30 seconds now, observing your thoughts. Allow your eyes to close now and feel the relaxing sensation in your eyelids of healthy discipline and accomplishment. Now notice your thoughts right now. What kind of thoughts are coming into your mind? Good. Let's do some mindful listening. Let all of your focus go towards your hearing. Let go of any need to do anything besides observing sounds around you. Pay attention to all of the little sounds around you now. You might notice that you didn't hear some sounds before that you can hear now. Notice any hums of electric things and the sound of your breathing. Now notice and observe the loudest sounds right now. Pay attention to the most obvious sounds reaching you right now, like the sound of my voice. Thoughts may come and grasp your attention away, and this is completely normal. Gently and proudly bring yourself back into hearing the sounds around you. No need to put any labels on anything, but it's okay if you do. Just observe what you hear. Even my voice is another sound. All sounds come and go and are only held by the moment. Now see if you can let all the sounds come in at the same time equally. Let them flow into your ears like a composition.